we are not putting restrictions on commercial market areas as of now. But we are going to be, the DC is going to be meeting the different associations and telling them that that we are going to be watching the situation in the next 7 days. If we see that protocols are being followed, if we see that crowding is not taking place, if we see that it's not going to, people follow the discipline, then we can still move forward. But if we see that it's not seeing any improvement, and if protocols are being broken, then we may need to consider some options which we had done in the past. But as of now, no, we are not. So that is why we request the shop owners and the associations to work with us so that they can control the movement of the people. Because we feel that once we restrict, then people rush, and that creates the crowding, so therefore we decided that no, we should let's give it a chance and let's see how it works. And because again, livelihood is also important, economy is also important, but safety of the people also is important. So we're trying to find a balance in this whole thing by just minimizing the restrictions, bringing up the overall safety aspect also, and see and hope that this balances out in this.